I'm Chef Trevor Randle, here with BC Egg. Today, we're giving a trendy twist to a comfort classic, a Monte Cristo omelet sandwich with a bright and tangy tomato relish. It's gonna be amazing. Let's get busy. We have some olive oil, dried mustard seed, diced BC onion, minced local garlic, hothouse tomatoes, some balsamic vinegar, brown sugar, and of course, our salt and pepper. Some local salted butter, our beautiful BC fresh eggs, your favorite French bread, some cooked ham, cooked turkey, some Swiss cheese, and just a little bit of cold water. To get this recipe going, we're going to start making incredible BC tomato relish. We're going to start with a little bit of olive oil. To this, we're going to add some dried mustard seed. So we want to get our oil a little bit warm, and as we add the mustard seed, it's going to toast it, bring out some of those flavors, and you'll start to pop a little bit, and that's how we know when to move on to the next step. So now they're starting to pop, and you can really start to smell that mustard flavor. From here, move from the heat. In goes our onion. We're going to saute those down just till the onions get kind of translucent, a little bit soft. As always, we're going to hit it with a little salt and pepper, season as we go, so we're not throwing in a bunch of seasoning just at the end. So it's these little steps that take a dish from okay to fantastic. So as I start to see the onions go a little translucent, softening up, we can go on to our next steps, which is adding our garlic. Now the minced garlic is going to cook really fast, so we don't want to be in there too long, minute maximum. Just kind of wake it up. And right away, as soon as those aromatics hit that heat, the smell is incredible. Our beautiful local tomatoes. And now as these cook, those tomatoes are going to release all their beautiful juices. We're going to saute this and simmer it for about 5-6 minutes until it's almost dry. So now that our tomatoes have started to cook down, we're going to add a little bit of sweetness in the brown sugar, and then followed by a little sour. And today we're using a balsamic vinegar. And this will complete our relish. We'll get this stirred in. Keep our eyes on this. We're going to simmer this probably 15 minutes or so. We're going to bring it down to almost dry, puree it up, and we'll have our relish. The relish will be beautiful in the fridge 3 or 4 days. So something you can easily do ahead. So I chose this recipe because the omelet sandwich is a popular thing, but I thought with all our beautiful BC ingredients, we can really elevate what a lot of people are doing and create a new dish that's our own. As we've simmered this about 10 minutes or so, you can see how almost all that liquid is gone. Before we get too dry, we're going to hit it with the blender. And at this point, you can decide, do you want a really smooth sauce? Do you want a little chunky? I prefer a little bit chunkier, more like a relish. So we're going to bring it over to our little hand blender here. And this way, I like using the hand blender because I can see it and I can control the consistency. So now we have this blended perfectly. I'm going to get into a bowl, cool it down, and get ready to make our incredible sandwich. All right, so to make our incredible Monte Cristo omelet sandwich, we're going to start with, of course, our beautiful BC eggs into our bowl. Give it a quick whisk. All right, so to assemble our Monte Cristo omelet sandwich, we're going to start with some of our amazing BC butter. We're just going to get this melted. Don't be shy with the butter. Now we see it's starting to foam. That tells me it's nice and hot. In goes our eggs. To this, as always, I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning, a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. Now here, it's important you be patient. Don't feel that urge to crank up that heat or you're going to brown your eggs and dry them out. From here, we're going to take our bread. We're going to set it right inside that raw egg. Get it nice, pressed down to the bottom, then go ahead and flip it. Now we're just going to let it sit until it cooks. We're pretty lucky here today at Midland Appliance. We're using these incredible induction burners, super efficient, instant heat. So I'm going to start to pull the egg forward and just bring some of that raw egg down to touch the pan. So we end up with that incredible flat omelet. All right, so as we can see, the egg is nearly cooked. That's the sign to tell us it's time to flip. Now, if you're feeling really comfortable, go ahead and give it a big flip. But today I'm going to use a heat-resistant spatula, rubber spatula, and we're just going to get it all flipped over, just like that. We've got our tomato relish. I'm gonna put that actually on both sides of the bread. Again, as much or as little as you like. This is gonna bring that sweet and tangy and flavorful little addition to the eggs. On top, we're gonna add our Swiss cheese on either side, our ham, our cooked turkey to finish off the Monte Cristo. From here, we're gonna fold any extra egg in and we're gonna flip. Now the other side is nice and cooked. And then we wanna get that ham warm, that turkey warm. We wanna start to melt the cheese. So an old diner trick, around just a little bit of water to the pan. Lid goes on, and that steam is gonna heat up those meats and melt that cheese beautifully. All right, so it's been 2 more minutes. We'll take off the lid, and there we have it. Beautifully melted, delicious looking Monte Cristo sandwich to our plate. Get this cut in half and we'll reveal all the beautiful layers we've got going in there. Amazing. On the plate, we're gonna serve with a beautiful salad beside. We've got a little extra of our amazing relish. We'll serve there, maybe just a dip in. And in no time at all, we've got an incredible Monte Cristo omelet sandwich featuring those beautiful BC eggs, a little side salad, and of course our local tomato relish. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me here. Happy cooking. For this recipe and more great meal ideas, visit bcegg.com.